These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Hello everyone and welcome back to another trading session. Today I'll show you some trades of mine. We already found the first opportunity, third touch breakout, and I'm looking for a gap down. Oh, this is a crazy downtrend, major downtrend. If we zoom in, the price is just going down, so it's a little risky. I'm taking it anyways. This is a third touch breakout. See, first touch, second touch, higher high compared to previous high, and now we broke it. Okay, if we were breaking it without seeing this candle, I would be scared, but this candle gave us the bar's entry, and then I would consider this as an exhaustion candle, even though it doesn't look like. And I feel like we're gonna get the retracement, and this trade is going to be successful, even though we're in a downtrend. And technically, if I wanted to be in the safe side, I should have taken this trade with at least I don't know, half of the normal amount, which would make sense for me, because losing this trade, yeah, it would have less effect if I was using less amount, because the trend is very important, guys. Even if you have okay, no problem, I'm just gonna journal this trade and I will write it down, what was my mistake. Okay, let me just take the screenshot, copy. Okay, so now if you look, let me just go journal this. I'll tell you. Okay, the setup was there, but the issue was market in an aggressive downtrend, plus I didn't have any confirmation. See, that was the reason. Now I'm adding this trade with my notes and everything, so I remember to not make the mistake again. So if you look at this, this is a trade, third touch breakout with no confirmation. Even there's not a single gap down or gap up as a confirmation. Plus we have downtrend, so it could work out, but it didn't, because most if I keep taking these trades, it's gonna mess me up long term. Okay, now if I want to show you something, unfortunately I cannot go back. I will show you at the end of this video. Okay, I will compare one of my previous sessions trades with this trade, and I will show you what do I mean. So keep watching. That's a very important lesson. Now this is a QM setup. If I go to 3 minutes, 5 minutes, okay, we do have a very bad engulf right here. I don't think I can trust this. Okay, I don't trust this QM because, you know, this is the perfect QM pattern, right? High, low, high, high, and then lower, low, and this is the QM zone for us. And if I check the, let me just mark everything, because some people keep asking what am I talking about. Unfortunately, I cannot go explain everything in every single session. Okay, so you already see that the QM zone is outside the engulf. This is the engulfing pattern, which is very bad, and the QM is not inside the body of the engulf. So I'm not going to proceed and find the lower time frame entry, because I know this is fucked up. So just for the record, I want to mark everything. I don't see any okay, I do see a little overlap here. This is my only entry I can have, and even though the QM is not proper QM, I will mark this and we can see the reactions later. We had the doji break right here and also gap up, so it would be amazing if this QM has a lower time frame entry somewhere here. I could take this sell right here, that would be awesome. Plus we would add this common point of rejection and enter above it. That would be crazy, and it would be a lot of confirmations. Now if you compare this with the first trade, it sucks. The first trade sucks, so that's the difference. All right, I hope I can find some beautiful trades for you guys. This is a common point of rejection, no beautiful setup. All right. We might be in a very good position right now. Okay, I'm taking 2 trades right here. That's an amazing opportunity, finally. Okay, so you see the third touch breakout here. That's a third touch breakout again as the first trade that we took. But this time we do have a little gap down. And also we have another important thing. I just hope I don't lose it because of my bad entry. I could have entered right here. Anyways, I just hope you don't lose this trade because of the entry, because I'm gonna be pissed. So this is the order block. If you look, this is the order block, meaning I'll show you. Let just this trade close. Yeah, so this is the third touch breakout. See right here, and then after that, after this breakout, we look back and see a lot of areas that the market has respected. Let me just take a little screenshot of this. Beauty. Boom. Beautiful. Add. That was a double. Let's go. Now, yeah, what I was trying to say, I forgot. Yeah, one thing about taking a screenshot, okay? I see some people struggle taking screenshots, and I mean the journal users, those who use this journal. They struggle to take screenshots. So what I suggest is there's an app called Lightshot. Okay, I'll show it on the screen. Lightshot. Once you download and install that application, it will be one hotkey on your keyboard. Once you push it, the screen gonna go dimmed like this, and then you select the area, and then you push the copy button. There's copy, there's save button. There's no need for you to save in your PC and then go browse and crazy stuff. Just copy this, boom. You hit copy, it goes to your clipboard. And then you go to the journal, you see, Control V, boom, it just comes here. Easy, right? Do not save it, do not try to fucking go do this, do that, you know, it's gonna be a little frustrating. Just copy and paste. We try to have everything simple as possible. So yeah, so what was the reason I took this trade? It's pretty straightforward. If I mark it, boom, boom, beautiful, man. I just enjoy seeing good markets. Okay, what do you see here? Let me make this green. So basically, market keeps switching between supply and demand and keeps liquidating people. Okay, if you've studied a little bit of forex strategies, you know that they have something like this, right? This is a support area. This is a classic support area. Back in like 20, 30 years ago, people would buy here and then sell in the resistance. That's classic. Then we found that the trader found out that this downside, like below these support areas, sometimes we have some points of interest. The markets loves to stop people out. The big guys in the forex industry and all the trading stuff, they love to stop people out. Why? Because they want to make money. How they make money? Stopping people out. And now people who buy here, they put the stop loss down here, right? They love to stop people out, touch something here, and then go up, right? So this is the theory right now. It says that this is the liquidity, and then this is the liquidity grab down here, and then it goes up. That's the general idea. Now, what I say is that the market loves to switch between supply and demand. These supply and demands are those points of interest. Sometimes it doesn't look perfect, but that's the same thing. Now, if you look at down here, this is a demand zone. If you look at up here, this is an order block. Okay, this is an order block. This is an order block. Right between them, there's fair value gap. Again, fair value gap, not with this one, with this one. Okay, so the candle before fair value gap is the order block. Now, market touches this one and then goes, finds the next one, and it just plays ping pong. Okay, touches this, see? Now it's going to go up and find the other order block. It could be this one. It could be this one. The ones who causing a significant movement in the chart are the most valid ones. Now, see this beauty? Third touch breakout again. broke. Again, we do have a little gap up. This is a pattern which can give us retracement. That's 3 confirmations. And then all of a sudden you see this is an order block as well. You manage to put your entry right here. Boom, you draw the line, see the common points of rejections as well. So we have what? 5 confirmations. Now go back and see the first trade. This is the first trade. Okay, this is the first trade we took. Again, it was a third touch breakout. Where are those confirmations? There's none. Okay, that's literally the difference between being a profitable and not being a profitable in long run, of course. Okay, because sometimes perfect trades also can be lost. Now, if you look at this, again, third touch breakout, we have gap down, and again, we're touching an order block. How beautiful is this, guys? I mean, same setup here. I'm showing you 3 setups, same confirmations, same shit, okay? Again, third touch breakout, gap down, touching order block. Look at that. Third touch breakout, gap up, touching order block. See? Both of them would be takeable. Now, let's look. Let's see if we can find another one. Sometimes we have third touch breakout, but they don't look good. Not every single setup in the chart is going to be good. Look at this one. This is another third touch breakout. Okay? But is this as good as the previous ones? Of course not. Okay? We don't even have any confirmations. We have 3 strong buying candles, and going against them is going to be crazy. And it's not as good as the previous one. So taking this trade is not going to give you the same result as these 2 in long run. I keep repeating, in long run. We do not judge it with like couple trades only. So yeah, we took 3 trades today. And today I decided to have a very short session, even though I explained a lot. Let me know in the comments if you enjoy if I break things down. And I decided to close the session right here because I don't want to take the next trade in hurry because I have to go somewhere. I hope you enjoyed, man. Yeah, I'm going to add this session. I told you at the beginning of the video, I want to show you something. Now, this is one of the previous sessions that I had, and this is another example of the same freaking setup. Look at that. Third touch breakout again, and then this is exhaustion candle. This is another confirmation that we didn't have on that one. And do you remember what I said? Liquidity. These are the liquidities, classic support areas, and this is the point of interest below it. It showed us with an exhaustion candle with the sellers, they grabbed the liquidity and spiked up. This is literally what I explained at the beginning of the middle of the video, not beginning. So classic support, stopping people out, grab something from down here and then go up. This is one of the general subjects in the Forex market. I hope you enjoyed, man. Do not forget to use this journal. This is going to help you a lot, okay? Use the link in the description. Use this journal. It's free. Thank you for watching, everyone, and peace out.